Hello, Chuck the Lawn Guy here. Today we'll be replacing the deck spindle on the Ariens iconx 52-inch. We had some noises that was created this past weekend, and I found this right here to be the culprit. You can see the movement of the pulley from up top. If you come down below, this is what it looks like from underneath the deck, and you see that movement that it has there, which means the bearings inside of the spindle has went out. So we will be replacing that spindle with this brand new one I ordered from Jack's Small Engines. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and get the screws or the bolts out of here. We'll be doing that with a 9/16 socket, and I've already pre-loosened them so you guys don't have to sit there and watch me try to struggle to break them free. Very easy to get out, doesn't take much effort. Bolts are not very big. I will be cleaning these up. And yes, I do realize I have very funny looking fingers. I got them cut off at a sawmill I used to work at, where my hand went through a chain and sprocket on an edger. So,
do I place it over there?
I've just noticed that the setup on this one is quite different. And it looks like I'll need to drop the deck down a little bit.
Do I need to move?
No, son, you're fine.
Okay, I'm making sure.
Remember, you're on video, so.
I see it moving.
Oh. Rag.
Okay.